million. You can do it. It won't be easy, unlike what certain people online will tell you.
It is possible, but it's hard.
This is how. It all starts with an idea.
Combine, remix, innovate on what has come before.
Make it better. Add more value. Solve better problems. But an idea alone is worthless. It must be used, put into action. But first, now listen closely. This part is important. Share it, test it, let the idea grow and develop. Ideas are fluid, not fixed.
Put it through its paces and let it take shape.
Great ideas form when minds collide.
Before you go guns a-blazing into the deep end.
Validate your idea first. Is there a market for it? Or do you have the finances to forge a new market? Move into existing markets. This is much easier. Originality is for amateurs. Google, Facebook, Tesla, Apple all exist in the innovation space.
They weren't first, they were better. Now go, be better.
This is the part you're not gonna like to hear. Take all of your savings, pour it into it, start a business, get some partners, convince others to help you of its value. Get them to help, to take a chance. You need money, lots of money, many thousands, but just to start. Cash is king right now. Okay? Now, go. Work hard, work long, sleepless nights, fail a lot, fall down, take a shot, then go again. Solve the problem.
Grow, expand.
Get investments, get your first customers, improve, innovate, adapt, change, sacrifice everything. Fail again, cry some more, get back up and fall straight back into the mud.
Swallow your pride and ask for help. Let them help you. Get support around you. Grow, expand, flourish, shine. It is now taken on a life all on its own. And now, after several years, you suddenly find you have made it. 1 million.
You've done it. Now, time to enjoy it. Spend it. Take the pleasures you've denied yourself for years. Buy your dreams, your goals, houses, cars, hotels, watches. But how long does it last? Are you happy now? When do you get bored?
When the thrills of money aren't quite the same anymore, then what? What do you do now? You might as well make another 1 million.
This time, it's easier. This time, you do it quicker. But this time, it isn't quite as satisfying. So you do it again and again. Now you have all the money. More money than you could spend. Oh, and spend you do. Chasing ever more expensive highs. All the pleasures and comforts don't do it for you anymore. What is the point? Make more money?
You don't need more money. Money isn't your problem anymore. Having more doesn't change anything. Is this it now?
Just sit around in your fancy house and wait to die? Accumulation of money doesn't matter after a certain point. Is greed all that matters to you? Like a dragon sitting on its hoard of gold till you're decayed and dried bones. Does it really matter? 13 billion years, the age of the universe. 10,000 years of human history, it is but a blink. What happens in 10,000 more? 1 million more? 13 billion more?
Do you think anyone or anything will be remembered? Time erodes everything, steals all memory of you. Legacy drifts into the void.
No one from this or any history will be remembered in the end. You do not matter to the universe. Nothing matters. What is the point? Do you just let the nihilism take you?
No, I don't think so. Time for a change in perspective.
We are more than that. You may not matter then, but you can add value now. You can help many people. Money isn't the answer anymore. Money is a resource. Use it to add value. Take pride in the fact that the human mind is the greatest and most fascinating thing in all of the known universe. more stars and galaxies than is possible to count. And in all of that vastness, your mind is the most wondrous thing in it all.
And you are so unique. Only you have your mind, full of your imagination and your creativity. You can use your mind to make the world a better place for those people in it right now. Help move humanity one tiny step forward today, for tomorrow will be too late. Time is coming for you. Time will get you. Live for the people now. Add value today.
How can you add value to them? Well, it all starts with an idea. But this time, it doesn't stop at 1 million. This time, the point isn't money. So really, what are you chasing? Pursue value. The money will follow.
But along the way, you gain your purpose. Do not seek money for money's sake, but change your focus. Add value into the world, into people.
And there you will find your fulfillment.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. I would appreciate your subscription and giving it a like if you found it worthy. As I'm sure you can understand, it takes a lot of effort to make these. So look forward to more videos like this coming soon. And have a fabulous day. Ethan out.